This is a room tour of the Hyatt Place Peña station near the Denver airport. There's actually more than one Hyatt Place near the Denver airport. It was a nice room. We arrived late. We had an early flight the next day. Parking is $17 a night, and that's kind of done through an outside service. You do the outside app. They did have a shuttle because we wound up returning our rental car the night before. So we took a lift to the rental place. We went from the rental place to the airport. We shuttled, and then we took the hotel shuttle back to the hotel. And the shuttle did leave pretty early in the morning because we had an early flight, so we were able to get on that. Room was very comfortable, clean. Bathroom was a decent size. The lighting was good. There was a breakfast bar, but we left too early to get breakfast. That was included with the room. Looked like a decent sized breakfast bar. Lobby was pretty big. There's a lot of seating and a lot of little separate spaces to relax. There was a bar there. We didn't eat there, but the bar did have a decent selection of food if you wanted to just, have dinner or lunch there. I assume it was open for lunch also. There's the bar. There's the buffalo. A lot of seating. There's a little convenience store in the background there if you needed to pick up some snacks or water.